Today we have a 2012 Toyota Sequoia. This is a very common problem. We have the customer's key that is worn out, and as you can see, it's kind of hard. Sometimes it's easy to lock and unlock the door, but if you go to the ignition, sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not. See, you get stuck. So the solution to fix this is we gotta get the key code and cut a new key. So in order for us to do that, we have to come to the passenger side door handle, and as you can see, the key code is gonna be right there, and then you gotta cut a new key. So we come to our machine, and we will input the key code and convert it to cuts, and then we cut a new key. So this is the new key. If you can see, it's very similar, but it's not worn out. So we're gonna try it and see how it works. And first we're gonna try it on the door. See, it's very easy to open and lock and unlock. So we'll try here. See, it's very smooth. So there's nothing wrong with the ignition cylinder. All you do is you gotta cut a new key, and the key code you gotta get it from the passenger door handle. Thank you for watching.